Most repair shops do not have a traffic problem. They have a visibility, trust, and follow-up problem. Today's customer does not search the way they did 5 years ago. They use Google Maps, voice search, AI summaries, reviews, and quick comparisons. If your shop is hard to find, slow to respond, or unclear about why customers should trust you, you lose the job before the phone even rings. The winning shops build a system: a fast website, strong reviews, clear service pages, instant response tools, and follow-up that keeps leads engaged. Imagine Shop A gets 100 visitors a month, but misses calls and responds the next day. Shop B gets the same traffic, but uses instant response, chat, and a 5 to 7 touch follow-up sequence. Shop B books more jobs without buying more traffic. If you want more booked appointments, better customers, and a shop built for the next 24 months, now is the time to upgrade your marketing system.